د ژوند اخري سرمایه کفن ده. Shroud is the last fund of life. Shroud is the last fund of life. هوا ورځ په ورځ سړیږي یا یخ کیږي. The weather is getting cold day by day. The weather is getting cold day by day. له ګوتو څخه ټکونه مه وباسه. Don't crack your knuckles. Don't crack your knuckles. هغه ما ډیر تنګوي. He disturbs me too much. He disturbs me too much. زه تا ښه پیژنم. I know you well. I know you well. موږ باید غلط معلومات خپاره نه کړو. We shouldn't broadcast wrong information. We shouldn't broadcast wrong information. broadcast ویل کیږي نشرول، خپرول. زه مې خپل ایمان پیژنم. I know my faith. I know my faith. چای ډیر ګرم ده، په احتیاط سره یې چښه. The tea is very hot, so sip it carefully. The tea is very hot, so sip it carefully. راز ښکاره شو یا راز افشا شو. The secret is leaked out. The secret is leaked out. leak out ویل کیږي افشا کېدل، ښکاره کېدل. ورځ په ورځ ژوند سختیږي. Life is getting hard day by day. Life is getting hard day by day. دا بستا پوها زیاته کړي یا دا بستا علم زیات کړي. It will increase your knowledge. It will increase your knowledge. قیمتونه ډیر لوړ دي یا نرخونه ډیر جګ دي. The prices are very high. The prices are very high. ستانه پرته ژوند ناممکن ده. Life is impossible without you. Life is impossible without you. دا زما احساسات زخمی کوي یا دا زما احساساتو ته ضربه رسوي، صدمه رسوي. It hurts my feelings. It hurts my feelings. تاسو خپل اصول بیان کړئ. Explain your own rules. Explain your own rules. تو ولې ما ملامتوې؟ Why do you blame me? Why do you blame me? د blame معنا ده ملامتوله. تاسو څه ډول اصول لرئ یا تاسو څه ډول قوانین لرئ؟ What kind of rules do you have? What kind of rules do you have? ژمی را روان ده. The winter is coming. The winter is coming. ملګریه دا زموږ اصول دي. It's our rules buddy. It's our rules buddy. buddy معنا ده ملګری. friend هم ورته وایي. buddy هم ورته وایي. او rules معنا ده قوانین و اصول. تاسو ولې خلک ګمراه کوئ؟ Why do you mislead people? Why do you mislead people?